Okay, my frame is set. यार घर बैठे एक और नई फिल्म देख ली है and I can't wait to tell you about it. Hi guys, I'm Stuti Ghosh and here's my review of Sherni. It's an Amazon Prime video and you must watch it. क्यों? I'll tell you. समझने वाली बात है that to make one's point, it's not important that you shout and raise your voice. हमारे प्राइम टाइम न्यूज एंकर्स will have a tough time understanding this, but not Amit Masurkar, who's the director of Sherni. He तो excels in this. उनकी first film Sulaimani Keeda went on to make Mutant with Rajkumar Rao and Pankaj Tripathi, and now this. He has developed a distinctive style, जहाँ पे he'll come smartly, effectively make his point, and then nonchalantly move on to the next. हमें तो आदत है ऐसी पिक्चरों की जिन्हें देख के लगता है that they are insulting our intelligence. एक ही चीज 6 बार रिपीट करेंगे as if we don't get it the first time around. But not here. Masurkar trusts us to get it the first time itself and get it quickly. If you don't, that's your problem. वैसे क्विकली से याद आया, कुछ यहाँ पे जल्दीबाजी रश में नहीं होता है. देयर इज अ वेरी टिपिकल पेस जिसमें अमित लाइक्स टू स्प्रेड हिज स्टोरी आउट, एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए दैट माइट जस्ट सीम लाइक यार ये तो बड़ा स्लो है, ये वेयर इज ही गोइंग विद दिस. माय सजेशन इज बी पेशेंट बिकॉज इट ओनली गेट्स बेटर. So film की शुरुआत होती है and for the first couple of seconds, thanks to Rakesh Haridas's camera, we get to soak in all that luscious greenery. Aerial shot of this never-ending forest. Soon we realize कि ये जो majestic image है इस पर अलग ही खतरा मंडरा रहा है. अब फिल्म शेरनी में एक्चुअल शेरनी तो है ही, और शेरनी बीइंग शेरनी जिसके बीच आ रहे हैं ह्यूमंस, जिसकी वजह से सारे पंगे हो रहे हैं. सो यू हैव द वेरी वरिड फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट. इंडिया है तो करप्शन है, ऊट पटांग के नेता हैं, हंटर्स हैं, नाराज विलेजर्स हैं, और इन सब के बीच है विद्या विंसेंट. Yes, this is yet another film where Vidya Balan on screen is also called Vidya, and much like the Sherni who's displaced, who's trying to settle in, Vidya Vincent has also been uprooted, और वो इस अपनी नई पोस्टिंग में is trying her best to settle in and do her job well. यहाँ पे thematically I found a lot of similarities with Mutant. Of course it's a different film, different story, but Masurkar gives us these characters who are not great because they're some swashbuckling heroes, but they just want to do their job well. और वही करते हुए they achieve greatness. Vidya Vincent का काम यहाँ है to ensure that the Sherni is safe. अब इसमें क्या होता है मैं तो आपको नहीं बता सकती, but there are a lot of other themes that are there in the film. One of course is man versus nature, conservation, environment versus development. साथ में the whole issue of a woman in what clearly is a hostile male dominated territory. अब इतने सारी अलग अलग चीजों के बावजूद you don't get overwhelmed, and it is thanks to Astha Tiku's screenplay. शेरनी में किरदार एक दूसरे पे दहाड़ नहीं रहे. Okay, people are not shouting and screaming and roaring. No, things here are conveyed through silences, a strategic pause maybe. जैसे विद्या विंसेंट, नो नॉनसेंस फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिशियल, मीटिंग में बैठी हैं, बॉस ने शेरो शायरी शुरू कर दी, and just the way Vidya Balan looks at her boss and how oblivious Brijendra Kala is of that tells you how actors lift up a simple scene. So be it Vidya Balan herself, Brijendra Kala, Vijay Raz, so good, Neeraj Kabi, Sharad Saxena, Mukul Chadda, Ila Arun, Shampa Mondol, all of them make the film so rich. Most of the jungly जानवर that we see, we are told, are all thanks to CGI. और जो scenes है, especially with villagers, you know, when they're inspecting the kill site, when they're talking to villagers, it has a documentary style detailing. आपको actually लगेगा you're inside a forest witnessing all that is happening. Now, the way Masurkar decides to show us the wild animals or the forests, it's not scary. Okay? In fact, you feel protective towards them, and that's the message the film actually wants to convey. बहुत सारे लोगों के बहुत सारी feelings हो सकती हैं about the ending, and that has a lot to do with our staple Bollywood diet, क्योंकि we like कि कहानी ऐसे खत्म हो और ribbon tie करके हम उसे बंद कर दें, but not here. And I personally found this to be very, very effective because long after the film is over, it's some 130 minutes long, you keep going back to it. You keep going back to Vidya Vincent, her work ethics. You keep thinking about the jungle and the animals. And that's how it should be, right? A film should stay with you long after it's over. तो मैं तो भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. But आपके लिए बस ये disclaimer दूंगी, if you only like what is called masala Bollywood films with item songs and long dramatic moments, तो शायद आपको ये हजम ही ना हो. But otherwise, Sherni is absolutely solid filmmaking that I really, really enjoyed. So मेरी तरफ से इसको मिल रहे हैं 5 में से 4.5 quints. My detailed written review is already out on the Quint. Do check that out. And Facebook पे मेरा page है स्तुति ऑन द क्विंट, उसे लाइक कर दो, कमेंट सेक्शन में अच्छे वाले कमेंट्स दे दो, बता दो आपको ये फिल्म अच्छी लगी या नहीं. एंड आई होप दिस वीडियो इज हेल्पफुल. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक इट, share it, and subscribe to the Quint.